Is this the best time to buy Ethereum? We will talk about it in this video and also about some more things. We'll talk about the ETF inflows. We are going to talk about the altcoin season index, and we are also going to talk about Bitcoin right now, which dropped from $112,000 down to $107,000. Let's go over here on the 15-minute chart so we can see it more clearly. We can see it quite a significant drop right here, and I've been talking about it in my video yesterday. If you have been watching, you have been protected basically, because I said this is a very crucial support zone that needs to hold. If this support zone is not holding, we might see lower price targets. And as you know, I've been talking in my video yesterday and the videos before, we might go and touch again this zone right here. It happens 80% of the time when we have this kind of liquidation spikes. So I'm not surprised at all. That's why I've been sitting on the sidelines for the past couple of days, waiting for the right opportunity. And that one is still not here yet. We can see here the RSI on the 1 hourly is not oversold yet. On the 4 hourly also getting there slowly, but not oversold yet. So I think there's going to be one more leg to the downside, and that's where it's going to be our opportunity to add to our Bitcoin longs. I'm probably going to start laddering into Bitcoin at around $103,000, maybe a little bit higher, just because I don't want to miss the buying opportunity. I think it will be a very fast one. We will touch this point and probably will have a bounce back, and with that a nice relief rally for the altcoins as well, for Ethereum as well. And now the question is what's going to happen in the next 48 hours. In the next 48 hours, guys, we can see here the trend has shifted. We can see the trend is now, unfortunately, the trend is bearish right now. We can see it right here. We can see we are moving downwards, and we have to trade accordingly. If you want to trade this, I would still wait right now. We are not overbought, we are not oversold. That's why I would definitely wait for a breakout of either this zone right here, but I think this zone will hold quite strongly, or a breakout out of the 116k, so we can go and turn more bullish. We can also wait. We actually had a breakout right here from the big support zone. So right now we are probably gonna test the support zone right here, and we will see. That's gonna be the turning point. Are we gonna manage to go above there and continue the bull run, or are we gonna reject again and confirm the breakdown, which will definitely bring us down to $103,000, maybe even lower. That's where I'm looking to buy more Bitcoin. And we will also talk today about Ethereum, which I definitely wanna buy some more. I've been looking to buy some Ethereum for a long time, and now we are getting the chance here. Let's see. The good part to buy some Ethereum would be around here. We can see here this is a strong support. It was holding there, and that's where I would start buying some Ethereum. I would open here some nice long swing position with a small portion of my trading capital. In case it goes lower, I'm happy to add more to this position. We could also touch the bottom of this megaphone pattern here at around, let's say, $3,200. So I'm happy to add some more. We can see we also have some strong support here at around $3,000. So don't rush into any big trades. Take your time, have patience, and slowly ladder into your trades or spot positions. Now, let's quickly see here also the crypto ETFs inflows, and we can see for the past couple of days they have been selling quite a lot. So right now, yesterday we had some Ethereum ETFs accumulation, but before that we can see selling, and also today there was some sell-offs here. So we need to be quite careful right now. I think the trend has shifted, at least for 1 or 2 months. We might see some sideways downwards movements. That's why it's good to be safe than sorry. Don't jump into any trade positions. For now, you just have to wait the bullish momentum. You see here all of the coins right here are down, either 3 to 10%, maybe some of them more. So you need to be quite careful with opening trades right now. If you would have opened a 20x leverage, you probably already have been wiped out just by this swing from today. That's why you have to be very careful. Take your time. Now's the time to be on the sidelines, waiting for a clear trend confirmation. And with that being said, I also want to talk about Solana here, which I'm looking forward to buy. I already talked about it in yesterday's video. I definitely would like to buy some Solana here at around 158. I will start buying, and maybe even lower, 150, 145. Let's see where the price will go. But I'm definitely going to start maybe even here at around 165, because I'm still very bullish on Solana. I think it can easily go to five, six, $700 this bull market. So the opportunity is quite big. And with that being said, we can see here also the RSI slowly getting oversold on the daily. On the 1 hourly, let's check it out. Also not yet oversold. Here there was a nice buying opportunity. We can see usually when the RSI is oversold, there is a very nice buying opportunity. Look at this, guys. Here, if you would have bought this zone right here, same like this zone, the RSI was oversold, then you would have been still in the profits right now. Now it's time to wait for the right opportunity when the market gets either oversold or overbought. When the market is super overbought, you can see it like here when Solana was at around 240. That was the time to take some profits. We can see it clearly. Now the question is, when are we going to get oversold? I think it's going to happen in the next upcoming days, maybe during this weekend. We have today Friday almost, and we are also gonna look forward to a nice dip on the weekend to accumulate some more of our favorite projects. Now, if you want to trade like I seem do here on the VX platform, you can grab up to $30,000 in bonuses down below in the description and in the pinned comment. Check it out, take advantage of this opportunity and start your trading career now. Let's also talk about VeChain real quick, because VeChain, I have to say, the chart looks quite nice, guys. Look at this chart. Let's go on the daily chart. Usually I like this kind of charts. We can see here they look like they are still healthy. Right now we had a big breakdown from the structure here, so we might go a little bit lower. Let's see. If it goes back to 1 cent, I'm gonna go in very heavy for VeChain, I have to say. But yeah, let's check the 4 hourly chart. Okay, we are not oversold yet, so we might see another dip down here, probably 1.3 cents, and that's where I'm gonna start going in heavy on VeChain. I'm very bullish on VeChain, so let's see what will happen in the upcoming weeks and months. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to take profits. See you all again next time. Bye bye.